My name is Cansu. I'm an AI platform architect at Red Hat, and today we're going to talk about how platform engineering can help you to scale AI. So building Gen AI applications is hard. Like, let's say that you are tasked to develop a Gen AI powered application. That's great, that's super exciting, but unfortunately soon enough you'll realize that there are thousands of things that you need to figure out. Like, which model are you going to use? Are you going to use an open source model? Are you going to build your own model, or are you going to fine tune a model? And let's say that you need RAG, and like there's this question, which vector database should I use? This is where actually a good platform and a platform engineering comes into the play. So I'm very into music, and like I love going to the concerts. So think about a concert, and there are like a lot of things actually happening in the background before an artist or a band goes onto the stage. The artists, your developers or data scientists, we want them to focus on making music. We want them to focus on excite the crowd. And then there are these stage crew. They are looking at the sound. They are tuning the instruments so that those your artists don't have to worry about the logistics. So platform engineering is like that. They are bringing those like common services that across 15 teams needs to deal. They are bringing some guardrails into the system so that you can trust the application. Like you bring them into the production safely and more reliably. When your team starts experimentation, starts figuring out what they want to do, platform engineers can actually provide them a safe space where they can experiment and do it in a self-service manner. The other thing is the access to compute. So data science related works usually requires a huge resources. Platform engineers can bring an auto-scaling capability to the platform. So whenever there's a need, they can scale the cluster automatically. And whenever there is no need for that kind of resources, things can go down, and that could be also very cost effective for the whole organization. Every organization has their own security policies, their compliance policies. Platform engineers can bake this kind of guardrails into the whole system, into the whole process, so that the data scientists or the developers don't have to worry about this, or like don't have to be stopped right just before they were about to release their applications. Your teams don't have to create different types of monitoring solutions. The platform engineers can provide this out of the box, like as a service, so that they can just plug into their models and their applications and get the insights, get the observability data, get some monitoring. We want them to focus on what they are good for, and platform engineering can actually help the backstage work, can help them behind the scenes to provide what they need, and then they can focus on what actually brings the value to the organization.